channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to draw a bird step by step. So all that you need is some erasers and a pencil pouch. Then you need a sketch pen. Then you need is a packet of oil pastels. Then you need extra white sheets. And then you'll be needing a few color packets. And let me show you the model of the bird we're going to draw. Fine. So we are going to be drawing the bird step by step. First, give it a small curving like this so that it looks like a C. Then give it a flap that will just go flapping out. And then make it like this, like a bird, and go underneath. Then you'll have this kind of shape, and then give it a small wing. Then at this part also give it a small thing so that it will be like a outlining before you start coloring. Then give it a eye. Then make the edges of the beak and a straight line. And then make legs like it's standing. In a tree branch. So once it will look like this, give it a small curving. And then your shape will be looking like this. Then lightly take it till the end. And then take the oil pastels. And before you use your oil pastels, make sure you start coloring. You can use any favorite color of yours, but mark the outlinings with a pencil that you made dark in color so that when you color with your oil pastels, the colors will go right. Mix the colors a little bit. So that it will look beautiful. You can use any of the colors you like for making. Now you can use one color for this whole border. Once this is done, you can use all the three colors you use for making it shaped. At the last, use a dark color and join the edges the gap that you have left. Then your bird's one wing will look like this. Once it looks like this, You can pick up your eraser and erase this outlining and leave it lightly because we will be using this outlining later. Then use the dark pink color to give outline over here. Then use pink color or red color to do this. I am using pink color for making it look like a real beak effect. Even if you add red color, it will look like a beak. Then take light green on it so that it will look like a real bird's eye. And then pick up your sketch pens to decorate. I'm using orange to outline over here to make it look beautiful. Then use your oil pastels and let the pink color have a small shade over here. After the shade, take the dark purple or maroon, which is even called as rose pink, and give it another light shade. And after that, take this color of oil pastel, which looks like maroon, and we even use this. Just give it a slight border on top of the two colors. It will look like this as soon as it's done. Then in the end, you start keeping lines like outlining over here so that it looks like this. And then use the light as oil pastel yellow and fill it a little bit in the mouth. And then use the dark yellow and fill the other side. Then take the same yellow and put it lightly over it and color the whole face. And at the end, take this kind of violet color, which is also called as light violet. And then at the ends you can just color it a little bit darkly and nicely to make it look beautiful. Then use a dark purple called as dark violet and just put a line in the between. And in the last, you can pick up the lightest color of pink and one more pink. These two pinks are called pink and fluorescent pink. Use fluorescent pink on this side. And then use pink at this side. Then your bird will be looking like this. And then take the dark brown and give outlines over here. So that the bark of a tree will look beautiful. Then use this color, which is called as brown sienna, and put it in the middle. And then take this brown and lightly give shading on this side. Then last, take brown color on your color pencils use a darker brown and shade it lightly. And then take your red color and give dark outlines of the birds. And then take brown color to outline over here a little bit and then outline its feet. And in the end, take any of your favorite color. Mostly it should be yellowish, but I'm using yellowish peach or fluorescent yellow, which will give it a nice outlining. And this is how your bird is going to look. So guys, how do you like the bird and how do you like the video? Thank you guys for watching my video.
कट करती है